Hello, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to scan one or more documents using notes. Welcome to Mac Mingle. There are two ways to do this. The first is to find the notes icon and press and hold it down. And when you keep pressing on it, this menu pops up. And right here, you see Scan Document. You can use that to scan one or more documents. Now let's look at another way. So assuming you are in a notes page, down here, you'll see the little paperclip. Go ahead and press that paperclip, and once again, a screen opens up that shows you Scan Document. And to scan a document, all we have to do is select that, and then a camera opens up, and take your image and click it. Now, when you're done, click that check mark. If you're not done, keep selecting images till you're done, and then click that check mark. And then once you've done that, you can rename it, and you can also share it with AirDrop, messages, and email. And that's all there is to it, to using notes to scan documents. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.